Hi viewers, welcome to Commissioner of Collegiate Education, Government of Telangana. I am Veeraya Shilam, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Government Degree College for Women, Nalgonda. Today quote, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. It is a popular Chinese proverb. If I plant a tree 20 years back, yes, I have planted many trees 20 years ago. Today, that yield are we are enjoying, even me and my family members. Like that, many people are planting trees. The proverb also explained to us the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. Now, the second best time is now. Plant trees and save the environment. It is the common concept about this quotation. Course details: BSc final year, 5th semester, subject botany, paper ecology and biodiversity. Today discussing topic is biodiversity types or types of biodiversity. Levels are there, levels are another topic. Types is today discussing topic. Biodiversity types. Biodiversity, the term coined by Walter G. Rosen since 1985. Biodiversity definition is variation among living organisms. These living organisms are at terrestrial, at marine, or atmosphere, desert ecosystems, or ecological complexes which they are a part. That is called biodiversity. In biodiversity, which is visible variation, where in living organisms, where they are living maybe in terrestrial, marine, desert, atmosphere or other ecological complexes. That variation visible in among these living organisms or life forms is called biodiversity. Biodiversity mainly describes the richness and variety of life forms on the earth. Remember this line, biodiversity describes richness and variety of life forms on the earth. Richness means high number of the species or high number of individuals. Among variation is must. Among these species are genera and other hierarchy. They must all the life forms are exhibit variation. That varied different life forms are living on the earth. It is the main concept of biodiversity. Biodiversity richness is benefit to us. Suppose you are taking one particular area. This is the particular area. In a specific region, large number of different organisms live in different communities. So this is the one community, this is another community, this is another community. So a specific region, it is a large number of different organisms live in different communities. But I have taken 3 communities in a large area. In these communities, different genera, different species of a genus all live together. These are share the same resources. It is called community variation. So in these different communities, they have different genera as well as different species of a genus. All are living together and sharing same resources. It is called community variation. So this diversity at community level are divided into 3 types. One is alpha diversity. Commonly it is known as local diversity, beta diversity, gamma diversity. These 3 terms are coined by R.H. Whittaker. Alpha diversity term, beta diversity term, gamma diversity. These all terms are first time coined by R.H. Whittaker. So it is the large area. So it is a large area. That area have different communities. These are plant communities. Every community have different genera and different species. It is animal. It is also one another large area. The area have different communities, different individuals. So monkey community, leopard community, bird community, like that many communities are there. These communities have different genera and different species. It is called a community variation. Let us talk on alpha diversity. Alpha diversity, it is refers to local diversity. Mainly it is generally called as within community diversity. Within community. Community means the group of many populations is called a community. Many populations, group of many type of population is called community. So alpha diversity visible within the community. It is represented to within the community. Competing with each other for the same resources and influence each other in a specified habitat or community is referred to as alpha diversity. Within the community, same species are there. In same species, the individuals, in between the individuals, need same type of resources. Therefore, the competition is very high. Within the species, in between the individuals, competition is too high because they need same resources. They need same type of requirement. Therefore, the competition is too high in between the individuals of within the species. This is called alpha diversity. Alpha diversity is represented in terms of number of species in given area. Number of species. So alpha diversity represent the described as number of species. Generally the number of species are increasing in alpha diversity. Where the number of species are increasing? In community. In given community or large area. Alpha diversity refers to richness of species because number of the species are increasing, simultaneously number of individuals also increasing. Therefore it is called richness of species in ecosystem. For example, in a community 40 species are there. After 1 year the 40 species become 50 species. 10 species are increased. Along with that, every species individual population also increased. So it is a proportionate. The number of species proportionate to number of individuals increased in a particular community or particular habitat. That is called richness. So alpha diversity within the community. Within the community, same type of individuals are there. For example, in this diagram, all are the deers. These same type of individuals, they are sharing same resources. They need same requirement. Therefore, in between the deers, more competition, heavy competition is creating. Heavy competition is present because the individual population is more. They need same type of requirement. It is a plant community. For example, it is one crop mango field. All are mango trees, similar individuals. So they need similar resources, similar requirement. Therefore, the heavy competition is there in between these mango trees. So this community has only one dominated species. It is called alpha diversity. So in alpha diversity, competition is very high within the species in between individuals. Alpha diversity increases with increase the number of individuals. So here alpha diversity is linking with the increasing of number. So diversity link with the increasing of number of individuals. When number of individuals are increased, alpha diversity also increasing. So proportionate. Alpha diversity increases proportionate with the increasing of individuals, number of individuals. In the climax community, it is important line. In climax community, alpha diversity decreases as one or two species. Only one or two dominated species are left in climax community. When succession will reach to the climax stage, in that moment, in that climax community contain only one or two or few number of species. But every species has the individual number is too high. Number of species are less. For example, climax community has only three type of the dominated plants. For example, teku plants, a Prosopis species, Prosopis and teku, and another one is salu plants, Shorea robusta. These three are dominated species. But in teku plants are 1000 number of plants are there. Salu plants are 1000 number of. Prosopis species are 1000 number. So individuals are more. The number of individuals are more, but number of species are very less at a community level. It is the difference in between number of species and number of individuals. At climax stage, the number of species are very less, but number of individuals are population, number of population is too high. So alpha diversity refers to local diversity as well as it occurs within the community. Now second one is beta diversity. It occurs between the communities. This diversity takes place between the communities. Alpha diversity is within the community. It is particularly single community. It is belongs to. Beta diversity is belongs to in between the community. It refers to the degree, concentration in which changes occur in communities. Along with that, environmental changes or gradient. When changes occur at community level, the species composition also changes. So if changes are occur at community level, the species also composition also change. For example, different altitudes of mountain slope. So mountain, if the height is above 2000 meter, that mountain exhibit different altitudes, different plant communities are visible. So it is the mountain slope approximately the height of mountain 9,000 meters. So 9,000 meter, 1,000 meter height has one type of the plant community, 2,000, above 2, above 3, above 4, 5, up to 5,000 meter height. These plant communities are differ. After there is no plant communities because cool zone. Different plant communities are visible in different altitudes. This type of community visible on mountain slope. Turnover diversity. If the same species occupy the whole mountain slide, it indicates low diversity. For example, this is the mountain. This is the mountain. The entire mountain or around the mountain, the entire mountain area or around the mountain area have same type of the plants. For example, it has only pinus plants. Entire the mountain or around the mountain, it has only pinus trees. This is called turnover diversity. It indicates low diversity because the mountain has only one type of species, one type of genus. The single type of genus indicate low biodiversity. If the same mountain has many number of species, if the same mountain has many number of species on or around the mountain, that indicates high biodiversity. But turnover diversity refers to low biodiversity. One or two species are present on the mountain, that is called turnover diversity. It indicates low biodiversity. It is harmful to us. Maybe evolution also runs slowly. Origin of species also not possible. It is not equilibrium environment. It cannot create a equilibrium of environment. The diversity, biodiversity is not equality. So unequal creating. In that area, suffering from the low species richness. Ecological imbalance created. Because species changes whenever habitat or community changes. Either altitude changes or moisture also decide the turnover diversity. So turnover diversity decided by altitude, different altitude or different moisture conditions. In that moment, habitat or community will go to changed. Beta diversity is expressed by measuring dependent on similarity index of different area. So beta diversity is expressed by measuring similarity index of different areas. Now the third one is gamma diversity. Gamma diversity, it refers to total landscape or geographical area diversity. Overall diversity, it refers to overall diversity in a habitat or in geographical area. Overall diversity. Gamma diversity in overall diversity within a large region such as state or country or habitat. So gamma diversity refers to overall diversity at state level or country level or habitat level. Gamma diversity includes both alpha and beta diversity. Alpha and beta diversity together is called gamma diversity. Simply, alpha diversity means within the community, beta diversity in between the community, together is called gamma diversity. So gamma diversity refers within the community and also in between the communities. That is enough. Every habitat has either communities or intercommunities, intra or intercommunities. The diversity occur intra-community or inter-communities. Together is called gamma diversity. That is, it is a diversity at species level. So gamma diversity is species level. It occurs species level, community level, as well as habitat level. Species level, community level, and habitat level. Three levels of diversities are come under gamma diversity. So it is the principle. Gamma diversity simply it is the total species diversity in a landscape. Total species diversity in a landscape. The principle is lambda is equal to alpha plus beta plus q. Here it is the gamma symbol. Alpha is equal to, it is described, it is referred to, is average of all alpha diversities. So alpha indicate average of all alpha diversities. Beta, it is refers to is average of all beta diversities in a habitat. So all alpha diversity in a habitat, all beta diversities in a habitat. Q is total number of habitats or total number of areas or communities or states or countries that indicate Q. Now gamma is equal to alpha, so within the community diversity, beta in between the communities, Q given area, particular area, all areas together is called gamma diversity. Simply gamma diversity refers to total species diversity in a landscape. It is one example for alpha, beta, gamma diversity. This is site A, site B, site C. Three sites are taken. Site A. How many species are visible here? Green color species, black color species, orange color species. Three type of species are visible. Now, three type of species are together to one community. A site A community has how many species are there? Three type of the species are there. Every species has some individuals. Maybe green color has 6 individual, orange or 2, black or 3. But we concentrate on number of the species. The number of the species are how many in site A community? 3. So here the site A community has 3 species. The number of species are 3. This is called alpha diversity. So alpha diversity occur within the community. Now second community has red color fishes, orange color fishes and green color fishes. Again, how many type of species are there? Site B community. Here also the number of species are 3. Means alpha diversity is equal to 3. Now site C community. Site C community has black color fishes and green color fishes. The number of the species are only 2. Means in this community alpha diversity is 2. Can you identify which community exhibit richness of species among these 3 communities? So site A has how many? 3 3. species, site B has 3, site C has 2. Means species richness is very high in site A and site B, less in site C, because A and B equal alpha diversity. But the number of the individuals are very high in site A, number of the individuals are less in site B when compared to A. When we are taking the richness of species is site A, the highest species richness visible in site A. After second position, site B, then least is site C. These three are different communities. Now beta diversity means it refers to in between the communities. So it is a site A community, it is site B community, or these two communities, B, C communities. Now beta diversity. In beta diversity, it refers to in between two communities. The first community has black color, green color, yellow color. In second community has yellow color, already is there yellow, red is new one, green is already is there, yellow is there, green is there, but new one is red, right? So here black, only A community has black, green is very common, yellow is common, but only one type black is new in site A, red is new in site B. Next, in both communities has orange is present in A and B communities, green present in A and B. Here which species are common in both communities, that is called beta diversity. So A community and B community has which color of species? Yellow and green. These are present in both. Now this is called beta diversity. A and B is equal to 2. You observe here beta diversity between A and B. So A and B how much? 2. Similar color of individuals are present in both communities. They are 2. Now beta diversity principle 3 minus 2. What is 3? Alpha diversity varieties are 3. 3 minus 2 plus 3 minus 2. B community has also 3 varieties. Therefore 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Again 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Totally 2. So beta diversity has 2. In between A and B, beta diversity has 2. So here alpha diversity is 3. You observe here alpha diversity is 3. Now let us observe in between B and C. In B community, how many type of species are there? Yellow, red, green. 3 type. Therefore alpha diversity is 3. In C community, green color, black color. So alpha diversity is only 2. But which is common color? Common individuals are there in site B and C. Green color individuals are common. Remaining are specific. So how many type of the species are common in both? Only one, that is green color individuals. Now beta diversity between B and C. So beta diversity, how much B and C are? 3. B and C are 3. How can you say? yellow color is 1, red color is 2, green color is 3. Here 3. Here green and black are 2. So alpha diversity 2, here alpha diversity is 3. Now three minus 1. You observe here 3 minus 1. 3 is alpha, 1 is only common color individual is only 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Now side C, 2 minus 1. 2 is alpha diversity, only 2 color, black and green color is there. 2. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. What is 2? Alpha. What is 1? Which is the common color in both communities? That is 1. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Is equal to how many? 3. So in between B and C, beta diversity is 3. In between A and B, beta diversity, how much we came? 3 minus 2, 1 plus 3 minus 2 is equal to 2. In between A and B, beta diversity is 2. As well as in between B and C, beta diversity is 3. In addition, total in between 3 communities together is called gamma diversity. Here A and B is 2, B and C is 3. Together 5. This is called gamma diversity. A, B and C addition is called how much? 5. It is the gamma diversity. Totally 5 type of the species are visible. What are they? Black color, green color, red color, yellow color and orange color. So it is the 5 type of the individuals are visible. So anyhow, gamma diversity is equal to 5. One more example. This is the gamma diversity diagram. Alpha community, another alpha community, another alpha community. Alpha community refers to within the community. In between the two communities refers to beta. In between two community beta. In between two community beta. Entire together is called refers to gamma. Here also one more example given. It is a one community that is called alpha community has 3 type of the species. Square with green, circle with blue, triangle with red. 3 type. Here 4 type. Square with orange, circle blue, triangle red, star with green. 4 type. So this community has 4. This community has 3. But which are the common varieties? Triangle is 1, blue is 2 and green are 3. Next here only 2 varieties. Green color circle and yellow color square is only 2 types. These are the alpha diversity. Beta diversity in between 2 communities. Any 2 communities it refers to beta diversity. So it is triangle is there, blue color is there, which is not there, green square is not there, orange square is not there, star green are not there, means beta is equal to 3. As well as in between green is not there, in both communities. Blue is not there, triangle is not there, star is not there. Here beta is equal to 4. Now in between, orange is not there, circle green is not there, square is not there, blue is not there, red is not there. 5. So it is the beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to, the answer is 6 communities. Totally 6 varieties are present in that habitat. So alpha plus beta is equal to gamma. It is the natural one. It is the alpha community. So alpha diversity at within the community. The number of the species are visible. It is another alpha community, alpha diversity. It is another alpha diversity. So alpha diversity occurs within the community. Now beta diversity. Beta diversity occurs in between the communities. Any two in between the communities refers to is called beta diversity. Now together entire all communities considered as gamma diversity. So gamma diversity is refers to overall diversity in a given habitat or large area or state or country. Alpha diversity refers to average species diversity in a habitat. So it is give information average species diversity. Beta diversity refers to differences in species composition. So beta diversity expressed the new number of species. So beta diversity indicate new number, origin of new species. The number of species are increasing. In alpha diversity, it is only the variation visible within the species. Here, the number of the species are increased. Gamma diversity, it is measuring overall number of species in a particular habitat. Some questions we have to discuss. The number of species in a single community is described as species diversity, alpha diversity, beta diversity, genetic diversity. So single community. So what is the answer within the community? The answer is alpha diversity. Alpha diversity means within the community. Beta diversity means in between the community. So answer is alpha diversity. It refers to single community. The variation visible within the species. The species richness also visible at alpha diversity. Next question. The most significant aspect of biodiversity is food, drug, industrial use, maintenance of ecosystem. Among these four, which is the right answer? Always biodiversity for maintenance of ecosystem. The answer is maintenance of ecosystem. Biodiversity gives high number of species. High number of species indicate richness of species. In that moment, the environment get equilibrium state, healthy state. So, biodiversity always maintenance of ecosystem. The rate of replacement of species composition with the change in the environment constitutes A. Gamma diversity, beta diversity, community diversity, ecosystem diversity. So read a question again. The rate of replacement of species composition within the change link with environment. So gamma diversity is overall diversity, beta diversity is in between the communities. Community diversity means it is the refer to the environment, ecosystem diversity. So the answer is community diversity. Community diversity. Now, biodiversity means refer definition. Biodiversity definition. A contraction of biological diversity. Contraction means a short form of biological diversity. The range of variation or differences among the species. Some set of entities like biological diversity thus refers to variety within the living world or all of the above. So the answer is all of the above. In 1980s, Lovejoy created biological diversity after the short form used by Walter Rosen since 1985. Okay, A is correct answer. Variation among the species also correct answer. Biological diversity is a variation within the living world also correct answer. So answer is all of the above. Beta diversity refers to diversity. I am already said many times. A within a community, B between community, C between two ecozones, D within a population. So what is the answer? Beta diversity between the communities. Between the communities. Beta diversity refers to between any two communities. Answer is second one. These are the mangoes. Commonly they are known as rasalu. Thank you very much who are watching this video.